Love crafting? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and create. Here are 5 quick DIY hacks to spark your creativity using everyday materials. These projects are simple, fun, and perfect for all ages. First up, personalized gift jars. Grab an old jar, any size will do. Paint it in your favorite color, add a cute ribbon, or even some stickers for extra flair, and fill it with treats or small gifts. Think candies, homemade cookies, or even small trinkets. It's the perfect heartfelt gift for any occasion. Birthdays, holidays, or just because. Next, let's give your picture frames a makeover. Those old frames can get a new lease on life. Revamp those old frames with washi tape, which comes in endless patterns and colors, beads, or even seashells. You can mix and match materials to suit your style. You'll have a fresh and stylish look in no time. Perfect for your living room, bedroom, or even as a gift. Got some old t-shirts lying around? Don't throw them out. They can be transformed into something new and useful. Turn them into eco-friendly tote bags or braided bracelets. These projects are not only sustainable but also super trendy. It's fun, stylish, and a great way to upcycle. Plus, you'll have unique accessories that no one else has. Now let's brighten things up with mason jar lanterns. Add some glitter for a touch of sparkle and fairy lights inside mason jars to create charming lanterns. These are perfect for adding a cozy ambiance to any space. That will light up any room. Great for parties, outdoor gatherings, or just a quiet evening at home. Finally, get artsy with DIY wall art. This is your chance to let your creativity shine. Use string, paint, or stencils to create stunning and unique pieces for your walls. The possibilities are endless. To create stunning and unique pieces for your walls, you can personalize your space with art that truly reflects your personality. It's quick, easy, and totally unique. Plus, it's a great way to spend a weekend afternoon. Get creative with these DIY hacks. Like, subscribe and share your creations with us. And stay tuned for more ideas on smart hacks. Outro music playing. We can't wait to see what you create.